Super badass setup. For the lighting as well, we got some high bays, we got some LED lights, we've got motorsports, neon signs, super cool. This shows kind of what you can do with your building and how you can come up with anything you can. For this black spray foam, guys, it is a fantastic option. I mean, it's probably 103 degrees outside right now. I mean, it's got to be a 20 degrees difference in here. He's got his fan going. I mean, it is a noticeable difference. But as you guys can see, all of this spray foam covers all the trussing as well. Super clean look. It just goes really well with the entire building. With the floors outside and all, I mean, it just is super clean. Like I said, guys, this is a 30 by 50 by 12, one of our most popular sizes that we sell. And as you guys can see, we have plenty of room for equipment, vehicles, storage, workshop. It really is a perfect size, and it's a great value for price as well if you're looking for your own home. So for our buildings, we actually don't provide gutters, but as you can see here, our customer went with gutters here actually on the lean-to and on the building as well. So they are easy to get installed if that is an option you're wanting. Hey guys, thanks for watching. As you guys saw, super awesome building. We're gonna have some new videos here soon. Different sizes, different shapes, and as always, completely customizable. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you next time.